Hey guys, so this is a little song that I wrote on my own, and I'm not really comfortable with this, so make sure that if you like it, you push the like button, because I'm really kind of scared right now. Just can't fall for you. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you liked it, please push the like button, and maybe subscribe too. That'd mean a lot to me. Thanks, guys.